Hello friends, let us start with bending moment calculations for overhang beam. Take down example. This is overhang beam of span 7 meter long, 1 meter overhang beyond point B, 6 meter span completely subjected to UDL of intensity 2 kilonewton per meter, and at free end C or overhang end C there is point load of 50 kilonewton. So now the algorithm to solve this problem: find out RA and RB first, then draw shear force diagram, and from shear force diagram find point of contraflexure if any. Point of contraflexure means where shear force diagram changes its signs from positive to negative. Then calculate maximum bending moment, calculate bending moment at C, B, A and at point of contraflexure. So let us start with RA and RB first. Applying, okay, before that, this is what? This is equivalent point load of 120 kilonewton and applied at midpoint of this 6 meter span, that is 3 meter. Now applying our condition for equilibrium, summation Fy equal to 0 gives RA plus RB is equal to 170. Summation of moment about A gives 0. Taking moment about A, 120 into 3 plus 50 into 7 minus 6 into RB. See here, 120 into 3 positive, 6 into RB negative, 50 into 7. This is only the moments. Therefore, RB is equal to 118.33 and RA, using this equation, RA is 51.67 Newton. Okay, fine, kilonewton. Fine, then we start with shear force diagram. This is 51.67 RA. Let me write down RA value in given diagram. RA is 51.67, RB is 118.33 is equal to 118.33 kilonewton. So let us start with shear force diagram. 51.67, here is only UDL throughout the 6 meter span. So 51.67 minus 120, this is 120 UDL, that comes out to be 68.33. So joining this 51.67 and 68.33 with inclined straight line, we will get this type of two triangles. Then at point B, 68.33 plus 118.33, you will get plus 50. So plus 50 to point C, no load, and this is a point of 50. So 50 minus 50 is 0. So you will get 0 at point C. Okay, now this is a point of contraflexure. Suppose this is x, that means this is 6 minus x. As usual, calculate x using these two triangles. Similarity of triangles gives x upon 56.7 equal to 6 minus x upon 68.33, because see, these two triangles are like this. Using similarity of triangles, we get x is equal to 2.583 meter. That means this point lies 2.583 from point A. This is nothing but point of contraflexure. At this point, you will get maximum bending moment. Fine. Now consider this portion which I have shown in pink color, consider this portion. Can you guess what do you mean by this portion? This is nothing but cantilever beam. Only concentrate on this. So, this is nothing but a cantilever like this, which is subjected to a point load at the end. What does this mean? This means at this point C, there is a zero bending moment. So, that is why we have focused on this point. So, it will give us a simple assumption that at point C, we have bending moment at 0. Now, at point B, take simple bending moment 51.67 at point B. Earlier I have not written down into 6. Now, it is at point B 51.67 into 6. See, this is point B. We are taking bending moment of point A about B. It is 51.67 into 6 and it is positive. I have shown sign convention for bending moment here. Also, there is 120 into 3 because 120 lies 3 meter from point B. So, 120 into 3, it is gives minus, it is minus because see, sign convention is minus if towards left. So, this is minus 49.98 kilonewton meter, or we can round up to minus 50 kilonewton meter. Now, point of contraflexure means where bending moment is maximum, let us say at x. So, at x, maximum bending moment mx equal to 51.67 into 2.583 because it is 2.583 minus 20 into 2.583. Why? This is intensity of UDL. So, this is nothing but intensity of UDL into distance of UDL by 2 because it will act at midpoint. So, into 2.583 by 2. That will give us maximum bending moment as 66.74. Now, let us locate all these point C, point B and point mx, that is maximum bending moment. So, this is 0, this is 66.74, this is minus 50 at point B and this is 0.0 at point C. Now, as this is UDL, so joining these by parabolic curve, we will get 0 to 66.74 to minus 50 and with a straight line because point load is there with a straight line, this is nothing but a bending moment. This is example for this is BMD and this is shear force diagram. This is example for overhang beam subjected to UDL and a point load. I recommend you at least solve 3 problems based on this type of overhang beam.